Dharma protects those who protects us. Ladies and gentlemen, tonight what you are going to witness right now is something truly different. This is neither a skit nor a fashion show, but this is a journey into the world of our sacred epics, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata and the Puranas, where timeless stories and powerful moments will come alive before your eyes. Each and every scene you will see here today has been chosen for its beauty, which reminds us of the moments that give strength, courage, devotion, sacrifice and wisdom. So, sit back with open hearts and let yourself be carried into another world. Let the divinity flow. Let's start. Our first scene is from the Devi Mahatmya. The arrogant demon Mahishasur believed, and from their light emerged goddess Durga, fierce, radiant, and unstoppable. Here walks Mahishasur, proud and merciless, challenging the heavens themselves.
Mahishasur, mighty demon, invincible by all the gods and men. None can defeat me. I shall conquer heaven and earth.
And here comes Goddess Durga, the Divine Mother with 10 arms, riding to battle, ready to end his terror forever.
I am Durga, born as the power of all the gods, embodiment of Shakti. I am the mother who nurtures and the warrior who destroys. Mahishasur, your cruelty ends today. My Trishul shall pierce your pride. My light shall end your darkness.
We meet Draupadi, humiliated in the court of Hastinapur, yet her spirit remained unbroken. With burning eyes and a fearless heart, she vowed vengeance, a vow that would shake kingdoms and spark a war.
Born of fire, queen of Pandavas. In this court I was dragged, left unprotected. No king, no elder was to defend me. Today I vow I will not tie my hair until it is bathed in the blood of Dushasana. O Kauravas, your arrogance shall fall, and Dharma will rise, and justice should answer my cry.
Arjun's heart was filled with doubt. Should he fight his own kin? Should he lay down his that still lights the world today? So here comes Arjuna, the warrior, yet torn between duty and love, lowering his bow in despair.
I am Arjuna, son of Pandu, greatest archer of the Pandavas. Yet today my bow feels heavy, my heart broken. How can I raise my arrows against my own kin? Better to renounce this war than to kill those I love.
And here arrives Krishna, the divine charioteer, lifting him with words of eternal truth. Do your duty, uphold dharma.
Krishna, your friend and guide, but above all, the voice of Dharma. Arjun, the soul is eternal. It is not either born nor does it die. To fight for righteousness is a sacred duty. Do not let weakness rule you. Rise, Arjun, pick up your Gandhi and fulfill your destiny.
Now we welcome the goddesses who balance life itself. Lakshmi, who brings prosperity, and Saraswati, who brings wisdom. Without wisdom, wealth is empty. Without wealth, wisdom has no support. Together, they create harmony. Here enters Goddess Lakshmi, glowing with abundance, showering blessings of fortune and joy.
I am Lakshmi, goddess of prosperity and fortune. I fill homes with wealth, food, and joy. My blessings bring gold and celebration. But remember, true prosperity lies in generosity and in families united with love.
And here comes Goddess Saraswati, serene and pure, holding her veena, gifting us knowledge and arts.
I am Saraswati, goddess of knowledge and arts. I bless you with learning, with creativity and wisdom. Without knowledge, wealth is blind. Without truth, fortune has no meaning. Together, wisdom and wealth make life complete.
कराग्रे वसते लक्ष्मी करमध्ये सरस्वती करमूले तु गोविन्दं प्रभाते करदर्शनम् समुद्रवसने देवी पर्वतस्तनमण्डले विष्णुपत्नी नमस्तुभ्यं पादस्पर्शं क्षमस्व मे.
When Mahishasur fell, yet another terror rose. Rakt Bij, the demon whose every drop of blood created another form. None could stop him until goddess Kali descended, fierce and unstoppable, to end his endless evil. Here comes Rakt Bij, spreading fear, his strength multiplying without end.
Immortal of blood, strike me, and 100 more will rise from every drop. None can stop me. I am endless. Ha 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 ha.
Here storms goddess Kali, fierce as lightning, ready to drink his blood and destroy his terror forever.
Eternal. I drink the blood of evil, I dance upon its ruin. Rakt Bij, your end is here, for I shall drink every drop, and in my dance of destruction, Adharma shall be crushed forever.
Now, from Lanka's Ashok Vatika, we see Sita, alone but unbroken, her faith in Ram unshaken. To her comes Hanuman, the devoted servant of Ram, bringing a token of hope, the ring that promises rescue and victory. Here comes Sita, surrounded by sorrow, yet shining with inner strength.
Wife of Ram, though Ravan tempts and threatens me, my heart is unshaken. My only strength is my Ram. My only prayer is union with him. No palace, no wealth, no fear can move my soul.
Here leaps Hanuman, messenger of Ram, bowing with devotion and offering the ring of hope.
I am Hanuman, son of the wind, servant of Rama. Mother Sita, take this ring of proof of his love. Soon Rama will come and break the chains, and Lanka shall be burned. Your sorrow will end, for Dharma cannot be chained at all.
the climax of Ramayana. Ravan, the mighty king of Lanka, stood with 10 heads, high in arrogance. But Lord Ram, with his bow and the blessings of Dharma, struck him down. That pride never wins against truth. Here comes our Lord Ram, Maryada Purushottam, taking aim with his bow, standing for truth and dharma.
राम राम जय राजा राम, राम राम जय सीता राम, राम राम जय राजा राम, राम राम जय सीता राम, राम राम जय राजा राम, राम राम जय सीता राम.
I am Ram, son of Dashrath, upholder of Dharma. Ravan, your arrogance has blinded your wisdom. Dharma always trumps over the Dharma. Today, justice will end your reign.
Here comes Ravan, powerful yet blinded by ego, roaring in defiance.
शीशों में ज्ञान भरे मेरी दृष्टि अमर वरदान शिव तांडव में रचता स्वयं नद मेरा गूंजे त्रैलोक्या मेरी जटाओं में अग्नि बहे मेरा वाक्य स्वयं है श्लोक अहम रावण ना भूतो ना भविष्यति यो योधा यो राजा यो भक्त सर्व.
Ram, you may have defeated my army, my brothers, and even my son. But you will never defeat me. I am Ravan. Ha ha ha. The mighty king of Lanka, with 10 heads and 20 arms, born to rule the 3 worlds. And you, Ram, you dare to challenge me? You are nothing but just a prince who wanders the forest with his monkeys. You think your dharma makes you stronger? No. My power, my knowledge, my devotion to Lord Shiva, these are unmatched. Look around, Ram. The earth trembles at my roar. The sky darkens at my anger. I will not bow to you or anyone else. This war will only end when one of us falls. And it will not be me. I will fight until my last breath, Ram. Even if I fall today, my name will echo through the ages. Come, Ram, face me now and witness the wrath of the greatest king to ever walk the earth.
Mandodari, the sorrowful queen, who teaches us that arrogance always falls before righteousness.
I am Mandodari, queen of Lanka. Though my husband was mighty, his arrogance brought his fall. Today I see my kingdom fall before my eyes. The pride of Lanka lies shattered, and I am left with a sorrow. Let this be a lesson. Arrogance and adharma can never win against truth and dharma.
To the woe of Draupadi, from the wisdom of Krishna to the devotion of Sita, from the grace of the goddesses to the courage of Ram, our epics shine eternally. May we carry their lessons in our hearts, that truth will always triumph and dharma will always guide our path. Thank you.